Hey everyone, let's go ahead and take a look at the pages. To start with, we're on the entry page. This is a real simple page from one of the FlutterFlow templates. We have a page view here that lets us switch between some overview items, different pages that they can swipe through, and a login and register button. Each of these are simple actions that just go to either the login or register or the create account page. After that, we have the login page. This is also from a FlutterFlow template using a email and password field to let the user log in, and then the login button uses the Firebase authentication to log the user in, and then the create account circles back to the register page in case they went to log in but they actually don't have an account yet. The forgot password button on this demo, I'm not really going to focus on that right now. That was just part of this template, so I wanted to leave it there for now. The create account page has name, email, and password fields, and then the create account button is also a new account creation action, and we also are going to set some custom fields on that same data so we can use it for taking the users to the respective home pages. When a user creates an account, we automatically set them as a pending user, so they are taken immediately to a pending page. We just got some placeholder text here that tells them their membership's pending, and a logout button that does the logout page and then just takes them back to the entry page. When a user is approved for a membership, they become active, and the next time they're on, they will be taken to the regular home page. This page just has a placeholder list view from a different FlutterFlow template that shows their name and some placeholder data here. You could show things relevant to the user or whatever your app needs here, but we are just focusing again on the membership aspect. So we will be taking them to this page only if they are an active member. If you reject their membership or cancel it or whatever you want to call it, we then have a different status and they are taken to a canceled page. This homepage canceled still shows their name and then tells them they've been canceled or removed. All these pages have logout buttons. It's particularly just for testing the demo. Lastly, we have an admin homepage. If the user that logs in is an admin user, we take them to a different page, and this page currently is showing just pending users here with the option to approve or reject each pending user. We're showing their name, their email address, and a couple of buttons, and the buttons will let them update a document, and we're just going to set their member status based on what we want the buttons to do. We can also add just like a list of active users below if we want to see that. As we go through and build this, we may do that. But that's really the full extent of the demo, what we're going to walk through today. So let's move on to getting things set up.